Hey everyone, it's a beautiful day here in Atlanta. I am at Notting Hill at Arlington in the West Atlanta area. These opportunities here are new construction townhomes, very affordable. I think it's the last time that homes are going to be this affordable, especially within the 285 corridor. So if you are looking for an affordable property or like an investment property, a first time home buying property, these are your best bet. So without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy this video. If you have any interest in real estate in the Atlanta metro area, please don't hesitate to call or text me. My contact and consultation link is below. Please enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.